Okay, so what we have here is an Altera DE2-115 FPGA board, and this is controlling an ICOM PCR-1000 communications receiver. This little receiver here is meant for many different bands and many different modes. Generally this receiver is controlled with an RS-232 interface, and right now I just have a simple antenna that's hooked up to it and a DC power jack and the power buttons here in the front. So this radio here doesn't have a faceplate. It's meant to basically be controlled by a computer. So what we've done here is we have programmed this FPGA using the Eclipse software and interface that comes with Altera and Quartus to make a system. And what we've done is we've hooked this board up through the RS-232 interface, kind of a long cable here, and right into the ICOM receiver. So what we're going to do here is just show you a little bit about the menu. This right here is the interface. Unfortunately, there's only 4 buttons on this board, so we've used this for the reset. This is actually for the menu. You can see here that the menu button is here, and this is for increasing or decreasing values. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you here. The menu button will actually change from different modes. Currently there's only an FM mode. I've programmed a ham mode in here to do different frequencies, but they're basically, the ham and FM is they're just considered banks on this. And then you have your volume. So let's go ahead and just change this. So you have your squelch, and that's good for when you have something you want to monitor and you don't want the noise in there. You can increase the squelch. Alright, so right now as it sits, I'm going ahead and show you the... Okay, so right now this is a local radio station here, and this is actually a WPDH. It comes in very clear. You can hear it coming through the speaker here. And I'm going to go ahead and increase the volume here. So we'll go ahead and change the menu to the volume. And we're going to go ahead and increase the volume here. Alright, so you see the volume increases. And we can increase the volume to something that we're okay with listening to. And currently I have a ham radio here, and this is on a specific ham frequency. And you can see here it's 147.045. This is a 2-meter band. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and go to the ham band here. And we're going to go ahead and change the station to one of the ham frequencies. And you can see that's the same frequency that we've had here in the 2-meter. Of course I have a ham radio license, so we're going to go ahead and just do a test transmit here. Let me just go ahead and show you first what the squelch does. If you lower the squelch, you can hear an awful lot of static coming through, and we don't want that. We only want to listen when somebody's transmitting. So we're going to go ahead and increase the squelch here, and now we're going to go ahead and just do a test transmission here. Let's see. KAC2NDA test. Okay, so you can hear the actual, when you're transmitting a little bit higher up in frequency, and then the receive is actually on this frequency. So you can see that it is working, which is kind of neat. So it's a very, very simple interface. We probably have about, let's see, probably a few thousand lines of code that controls this. But what it actually does is, like I said, it goes from the RS-232 interface into the radio. So it sends commands from the RS-232 interface into the radio, and the radio actually replies with a response. So what we've done is use the FPGA on this board to basically control the ICOM receiver radio. So there's some future enhancements that I'm not sure if I really want to do, because I'm thinking about doing this just basically with some Python scripts, through a computer. But in any case, so you don't have to use the computer to run this. ICOM has a really bad interface. I'm sorry, ICOM, but it's true. The interface to control these is kind of buggy and crashes quite a bit. They have released some new updates to their software, but it's nothing to write home about. So some future modifications for this might be to do some scanning, like a regular scanner to scan through the different frequencies of ham frequencies, or you can even do police frequencies if you wanted to. And so this is a video again with the DE2-115 Altera FPGA board and an ICOM communications receiver. Thanks for watching.